Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will how to use Bandicam. Here I face video problems, sound problems, and I got the solution. I would like to share with my friends and my viewers. Hopefully, it will helpful for you as well. How to use Bandicam? It is very simple. You can download it from Google, free download, and here you see it will capture your full screen like this. Select recording area, rectangle on a screen or full screen. I use full screen to cover full screen by using my teaching material, and you can select just here full screen, and here is the some options. Home, it has data, and general tab. General tab is where your files are located. Whenever you make any history teaching video, make any material video, your files save in this folder. And the second option is video. This is more important, most important tab, video. Record or stop hotkey. Whenever you record any video and you want to stop by not selecting this, you just select F12. Your video recording will stop. Your mouse cursor will show when you record any video, and the most important thing is this setting. Mostly persons face the audio problem, sound problem, and they are facing how to listen the sound when teaching, when making a video call. This option is very necessary. Setting videos and settings. Click on its setting, and it has few tabs. Sound, you just click on record sound, then your sound of teaching material will record. And make speaker option as default output device. And microphone the available in your system. In my system Realtek high definition, therefore I selected it. We can adjust it, like I adjusted it at 90, and here you can filter. I use convert to mono, and noise suppression is high. The purpose of this noise suppression, when we making a video, some background voice we feel, this option is noise suppression to remove the noise, therefore we selected high. And here is available secondary sound device. It is recommended by Bandicam to disable it, therefore I disable it. Here is the option of, here another option is very necessary, is if you feel you don't get sound when you record any video, then the second most important thing, this would be very helpful. You just click on setting. Here you see recording microphone, playback, and playback has also option. You click on recording, double click on microphone, then select listen level. Here is the two option. Microphone, the selected option 90 we have already discussed. The most important, microphone boost. If you feel your sound not comes, not, you can't listen your voice, you make it 30. It would be 0 in your default, but you make it 30. When you make it 30, you can easily listen your sound problem, your audio problem will resolve in 1 minute. By using this option, microphone boost, you make it 30. Enhancement, you can noise suppression, click on noise suppression, advanced, and say okay. And, my option has already selected, therefore cancel it, but you click on ok. The another option is webcam, mouse. It will show the cursor of your mouse. You can click on this as well. Logo, text, options. These are show countdown. When any video start, it will show countdown. Like when you make any video, you just record, then it will show the countdown 3, 2, 1, and automatically record the video. The countdown purpose is to make yourself ready. And select, you may select okay. I have already adjusted my settings, therefore I can select. Here is images and about. The main setting is for best video recording, best audio setting is make sound 90, volume is 90, filter option is convert to mono, and noise suppression is high, and booster, here you see booster, make double click on it, levels, and make it 30, 90 and 30. It's good for you for any kind of sound problem you face. You make it volume 90 and booster 30. Hopefully this video will helpful for you. I face another problem as well in it of some background noise, uh, but this conversion 90 and 30, it would be feel, I feel it's good. Hopefully you like this video. If you have any question, you may freely comment us in comment box. And if you have any solution of how I get solve my background noise, you may freely share your ideas. Thank you so much.